Hi everyone, and welcome to our eSpark tutorial on our Reading Lab. Our Reading Lab provides AI-powered phonics and fluency practice and instruction for your students. Our friend Fennec the Fox here acts as that tutor as your students work through the practice. eSpark phonics instruction combines AI power and the science of reading to provide aligned phonics and fluency instruction, including phonemes, graphemes, blending, and more. Fennec, who we saw on the previous slide, functions as our real-time tutor, giving that real-time personalized feedback to your students. We built our phonics instruction on advanced speech recognition technology targeted to provide micro interventions for your students' practice and support their productive struggle. We created the Phonics Instruction Reading Lab program to support your students' independent practice of pronunciation and fluency, which previously required one-on-one teacher attention. So let's take a look at how our Phonics Reading Lab works. When students enter the Phonics Reading Lab, they will see our friend Fennec the Fox, who will walk them through these activities and provide those micro interventions as needed.
Let's practice reading words with the letter T that makes the consonant sound T.
When your students get a word correct, they will just move on to the next word and receive that green check mark. But let's take a look at how Fennec reacts when a student gets a word incorrect.
Can you read this word to me? Go ahead, I'm listening.
Taught.
Watch as I tap each dot and say each part of the word. T. A. T. Now I'll blend the sounds to make tat. Now it's your turn. Tap each dot and say the word part.
T. A. T.
Now blend the sounds.
Tat.
Great job.
As your students get those words correct, they become green check marks at the top. If they get them incorrect, Fennec will just move them on to the next word after providing those micro interventions, and then you'll be able to see their responses when they complete the lesson. Something important about our phonics lessons is that all assignments and lessons have to be assigned by the teacher to your students. This is not something that they currently encounter in their adaptive learning pathway. And so these phonics lessons are really intentional and really targeted for your students' instruction as needed. So we have two ways that you can find these phonics lessons for your students and assign them out. The first way is through our phonics alignment with 15 different phonics curriculum through Nova, our AI-powered teacher assistant. The other way that you can find these phonics lessons is by searching for specific topics, standards, or skills in our Ask Nova Anything option here at the bottom of your left side toolbar. So let's take a look at how to find phonics curriculum aligned lessons using Nova. Over here in the left side toolbar is where you will find those aligned curriculum that you have selected when you set up or edited your account. Clicking into eSpark Phonics will bring you to this page here with our Nova branding showing us that we're working with the AI-powered teacher assistant and whatever phonics curriculum you've chosen to align with. From the menu, select your lesson that you're currently working on, and then it will send directly over to Nova for her to scan our eSpark Phonics library and find the lessons that directly support what your students are working on. In this case, the letter T as T. It will provide those supportive phonics lessons here in the list that you can preview or assign now. When you click that assign button, you will see a manual selection as our phonics lessons are not able to be differentiated at this time. The other option you have for finding lessons is through Ask Nova Anything. By clicking on this, it takes a step away from your phonics aligned curriculum, but opens you to that AI-powered tool where you can ask instructional questions or look for specific skills that you're wanting to practice with students. You can see individual student performance in the assignment tracker when you send out a lesson. Additionally, from this assignment tracker page, you can actually listen to student responses and how they read all of their words, whether they got them correct or incorrect, which is a really great way to continue supporting students and providing further instruction as needed. So, a few best practices we have that are recommended for using our eSpark Reading Lab. The first is to establish consistent routines, using Reading Lab during rotations or intervention blocks, and explicitly teaching students how to log in and what to expect when they encounter Reading Lab assignments. Ensure quality audio setup. This means providing some good headphones with a microphone and creating a quiet workspace to support that accurate speech recognition. We also recommend monitoring and using this data to help support reteaching, follow up, small group identification, and other ways to drive that instruction with your students. We recommend using Phonics Reading Lab to promote the productive struggle, encouraging students to use that feedback from Fennec, listen to the models, and then retry without extra frustration. And finally, our last recommended best practice is to align with your core phonics instruction if you have one. So you can use Reading Lab to reinforce those phonics patterns that you're teaching in your aligned core curriculum.
Thanks so much for watching. Happy eSparking!